Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, mini pony beads. You're going to need a large center bead, scissors, a lighter, and a needle. And I have like a foot or so of string here. And we're going to be recreating this ring here. But I don't have any more of these beads, so I'm going to use this one. You're going to take one end of the string and you're going to add 6 pink beads. Now we can tie these together. Cut this little piece off. Now you're going to put your needle on. We're going to go through 1 pink bead. And this is going to be our pattern over here for the petals. So it goes orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, and orange. So we're gonna use this pattern over and over for each one. What you're going to do is, we're coming out of this bead here. We're going to go back through it and through the second bead. So we made a loop here, and you go through 2 beads. So we're going to repeat that pattern. Okay, we're coming out of this bead here. We're going to take our needle and go back through it and through this second bead. And this will be loose, so as you work, you're going to want to pull this string to tighten both of those up. I'm going to start the next one. Okay, we're coming out of this bead here. We need to go back through that one and the second one. And see how this one comes, this one will be a little loose, so to tighten both of them, pull this string and then pull this one. Okay, we're coming out of this bead here. We're going to go back through it and through the second bead. This is loose, so we're going to pull this string here to tighten those, and then pull the other string over here. Okay, this is going to be our last one. So we're going to go back through this pink bead and through this one. Pull the string. And I'm going to make a knot here so that stays tight before we do anything else. I think I'm just going to do 2. Okay, now we're going to add our center bead. And you don't have to use a really big one. You could even do like a little star, or anything cute that you have on hand will work. So we see how the string is coming out of this bead. We want to look across and go the opposite direction. So we'll go up to get that centered. Like that. Now, I'm going to go through, let's see here. I guess we can just flip this around. And I'm going to make another knot to make this tight. So you'll just tie it onto that string here, but we want to be on the back side of the rings so we can make the band. Well, if I can get in there. Pull it. Now this part, if you don't have mini pony beads, you could use regular size. I just like to use a smaller one because it's a little more comfortable on your finger. And you will need to kind of play around with the size. I'm going to see how many I added on my first one. Okay, I have 11. So I'm going to add 11. And to test this, you would just add beads and then, you know, wrap it around and see if it reaches. Now we're coming out of this bead this way. We need to go, well, you need to find the, whoops. You need to find the bead that's right across. So it's this one. And you're going to go up. You want the strings to go opposite. And you don't want to pull this too tight because you want it to be flexible for your finger. Now you can tie it again. Now your string might get twisted around here, but you'll get it. And maybe check to see if it's stretchy enough before you like really pull the knot. And I think I'm going to do about 3 knots. Once you have that tied, you can cut it. And what I like to do is go back through and pull the pink bead. And now you can put it on your finger. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.